Even when the sun shines, the world is filled with darkness. From countries ridden with violence and disease to communities here at home, there are people who have never had the chance to know the true light of Jesus Christ. Many Christian organizations have a heart for mission, but they often lack the funding necessary to make a difference. Maybe airfare for a mission trip is needed, or children in the community are cold and living without. Whatever the opportunity, whatever the need, we want to help you spread the love of Jesus and illuminate the dark places in your world. Who would you empower if money weren't an obstacle? Would you help those who are hungry access nourishing food? Would you build schools and help those in Africa educate their children? Maybe you would help parents bring smiles to the faces of their children at Christmas. Even a little light causes the darkness to flee. Imagine if your world were a little brighter. At Light the World Candle Company, our mission is to spread the light of Jesus Christ to the world by donating 100% of our profits from the sales of our candles. We are a fundraising program that aims to help Christian organizations raise the funds necessary to make a difference. In addition to giving 40% of your total sales directly to your organization, the rest of the profits go to other people in need. Organizations like the Forgotten Foundation, which provides relief to Burmese refugees fleeing genocide, or adoption scholarships to help those with a heart for parenthood but limited resources. These scholarships provide financial assistance, aid, and training to married couples wanting to adopt. We also seek out local ministries that work with people experiencing poverty. There is a future where money doesn't stand in opposition to goodwill. There is a future where we can spread unending good to the people most in need. Above all, there is a future where every end of the earth is illuminated by the light of Jesus. Join us. Let us help you to help the others in your world. Visit lighttheworldcandles.com to get started. Fill the darkness with unending light.